Welcome back to Supercar, where we bring you the most exciting and honest takes on the latest vehicles from around the world. If you're into sleek design, smart tech, and cutting-edge hybrid power, the 2025 Renault Captur probably caught your attention. But before you get carried away, there are a few things you really need to know. Things nobody's telling you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications because what you're about to hear might completely change how you see this stylish SUV. Let's jump right in. Problem number 1. The infotainment system isn't as smart as it looks. Now, Renault did a great job marketing the new 10.4-inch vertical screen in the 2025 Captur. It looks modern, it feels responsive at first glance. But here's the surprise. Despite the new Google-based system, users have reported lag and unresponsiveness after a few weeks of use. Basic tasks like switching between navigation and music can freeze up. And here's the kicker. Voice commands occasionally fail, even with strong connectivity. Not something you'd expect from a tech-focused car in 2025, right? Problem number 2. E-Tech Hybrid feels underwhelming on highways. On paper, the E-Tech hybrid system promises smooth city driving and better fuel economy. But owners have noticed that once you get onto the highway, the experience shifts. Acceleration feels sluggish, and overtaking can be tricky. The 1.6-liter engine combined with electric assistance just doesn't give the punch you'd want when merging at speed. It's efficient, yes, but in situations that require quick power delivery, the Captur often leaves you wanting more. Problem number 3. Rear space may disappoint taller passengers. You'd expect a subcompact SUV like the Captur to offer decent room for passengers, especially after a redesign. But, in reality, rear seat space remains limited. If you're above 6 feet, you'll likely struggle with both legroom and headroom in the back. For families or those planning long road trips, this can be a deal-breaker. And the sloping roof design doesn't help either. It actually eats into the usable vertical space in the back. Problem number 4. Too much hard plastic for a modern interior. Here's something you won't see in Renault's promotional material. Despite the new ambient lighting and updated upholstery options, hard plastic dominates the dashboard and door panels. It's disappointing, especially when competitors in the same price range are offering more soft-touch materials and premium trims. This not only affects aesthetics, but also the overall feel of the car. It just doesn't feel as upscale as the exterior suggests. Problem number 5. Delayed availability of key features in some markets. This one's especially frustrating. Even though Renault advertises features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and the 360-degree camera, not all of these are available in every market, at least not at launch. Some regions have reported delayed access to key safety features or higher trims being sold without them entirely. This causes confusion among buyers and often leads to disappointment once they realize their Captur doesn't include everything they saw in the European press material. So, what does all this mean? The 2025 Renault Captur is still a great-looking vehicle, with solid fuel efficiency and a bold design update. But beneath the surface, it has its quirks that can affect the overall ownership experience. Are these deal-breakers? That depends on your priorities. If you want a city-friendly hybrid with style and a strong brand image, the Captur still holds value. But if you're after highway performance, advanced infotainment, or rear seat comfort, you may want to look elsewhere, or at least test thoroughly before buying. Now we want to hear from you. Were you considering the 2025 Renault Captur? Do any of these problems change your mind? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's get the conversation going. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Supercar for more honest car reviews, updates, and the latest automotive news you can trust. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next